Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome back to the Breastfeeding Den. Today, we're going to talk about nipple shields. There are lots of reasons people will use nipple shields. It is highly recommended that you don't use one without the support of a lactation consultant to make sure that you're using the right nipple shield for you and for the right reasons, and that we're not overlooking some other concerns. Sometimes nipple shields are used to help pull out an inverted nipple. They're sometimes used with babies who are having a hard time latching onto the breasts, oftentimes with preemies, and sometimes they're used just to give mom a little protection because her nipples hurt. Nipple shields are not a one-size-fits-all item. They come in different sizes and different shapes. Today we're going to use the conical shaped nipple shield, and we're going to apply it to our breasts. When you're looking for a shield, you want to find a shield that fits your nipple pretty well. When you take a large one, there's lots of room and it's not going to stay because there's no foundation of nipple to hold it in place. When you have one that fits better, it's going to stay better against your skin. So what you want to do is take your nipple shield, turn it upside down, turn it about halfway inside out, put it over your nipple, and apply it to your breast. It's going to stay better this way, and it will help draw some of your nipple up into the shield. So no matter what size shield you're using, you want to turn it inside out, apply it to the nipple, and draw the nipple in. Ideally, you want a nipple shield that fits your nipple well, so that it will hold onto your nipple and draw it inside and get you a nice, comfortable fit. We hope that was helpful. If you have other questions about nipple shields, please let us know in the comments below. Any other topics or requests you have for us, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to find us on Facebook and Instagram at The BF Den.